G'day, my name's Wilfred West from Locksport, Victoria, Australia. Welcome to Locksport, the home of online gaming, wonderful views and Australian wildlife. I do hope you like these videos, if so please subscribe. G'day all, welcome back. Now this is our fig and oranges alcohol. Now we've let that sit in the with the oranges for a while. We're going to put it through this sieve, and then I'm going to put it through this sieve and then put it into the bottle itself. Now, smell test, you can still smell the figs in there, and you can smell the oranges as well. So we want to just filter this, see how much alcohol we've actually got, and then filter it again. Get all the alcohol out. We'll clean this later. Not going to worry about trying to squeeze extra flavour out of it. I can go into there. We'll borrow that in a minute, but out the way. You can see the colour of the orange is down, and we'll have a look. Now we'll let that settle for a bit. We'll have a look at the how much is there. It's just over 500 mils. Wouldn't it be close to, yeah, just over 500 mils. Nothing really to worry about. Now in this sieve I've got these as well, so if I use this and this, I'm pretty much going to make sure nothing. Hang on, let's see if I can show you what I'm doing. You can see our the two washers bubbling still. Oh, that's sweet. So that's our fig and orange alcohol made up. So I'll wash all this in a minute. I'll put the date on today. I'll put the original date. I'd actually put the figs into there in the first place, and that looks nice. Still a little bit cloudy, but it's gone through those filters quite nicely. Give it a good shake. Oh, that smells nice, and I'll give it a good test to later today. Absolutely fantastic. So what I'll probably do is just put the label on here, and just put the date I put the figs in, and then the date I'll just put today's date. I think I'll put the 15th of the 4th, yeah, which I put the figs in there, and then I'll put today's date, which I bottled it up, which is, well, which is the 5th today, so 5th to the 6th. So that's pretty much 2 months worth of work, but It's going to be a nice refreshing drop, even on like on a summer's day or something like that. Maybe a bit of ice into there, a little bit of ice and a bit of this, and you'll have a beautiful sweet drink. That's a refreshing drop. Yeah, you can have a look at the peels. You can see those peels, they're really, there's no colour left in those whatsoever. And the flavour, just it's kind of sweet. Taste the fig, and you can taste the orange in there too. It's very nice, and no artificial sugars or nothing like that into there. It's all natural sugars from the fig, and natural figures from the orange juice, or natural sugars from the orange juice, I should say, and the figs, and whatever in the alcohol itself. That's it. I'll pack all this up and call it a day. Anyway, thank you again for watching. Let's have a quick look at these two at the moment. Yeah, they're both bubbling nicely. Tomorrow will be a week since I put them on. Tomorrow's Wednesday. And I'll probably like Thursday or Friday maybe. At the latest Saturday or Sunday I'll probably grab one of those and test it, and then put it over in the corner there and get it ready to go on a still. But anyway, you all have a great day. Thank you again for watching my videos, and all comments are welcome.